Hi sweet blossoms, welcome to another colorful summer tutorial. I'm Nazanin and today we're gonna crochet this super easy and cute flower motif perfect for summer projects. For making this cute flower motif we need a crochet hook. I'm using 2.5mm crochet hook. You can use any hook that's suitable for your yarn. I'm using these colors of the cotton yarn. You can use any type of the yarn you like. And we need needles, pair of scissors, and done. Wrap yarn around your finger, make an X, insert your hook inside it, grab yarn, bring it out, grab yarn, make a chain. Here is our magic ring. You can make your magic ring in any method you like, okay? Then make 2 chains as the first double crochet, then wrap yarn around your hook, insert your hook in the ring, grab yarn, bring it out, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Here is our 2 double crochet together. Then make chain 1, wrap yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the ring, grab yarn, bring it out, grab yarn, pull through, skip these 2 loops. Repeat this part again. Now pull through all 3 loops, okay? Here is our 2 double crochet together, then make chain 1. Repeat this diagram 6 more times by making 2 double crochet together and chain 1. If you're new in my channel and haven't subscribed yet, I'd be happy that you join to my little crochet family. Then please hit that subscribe button and support me. Your support truly means the world to me. Okay. Make our 2 double crochet together and chain 1. Total of our 2 double crochets together must be 8 and 8 chain 1 spaces in the end. Close the hole by pulling up the loop and join with the slip stitch to the first 2 double crochet together, okay? Cut the yarn and fasten off. I always use my needle for ending my rows. You can use any method you like. Insert your needle under the 3rd stitch and insert it again inside the 1st stitch and bring it out, and that's it. There's no sign of any ending or sewing in there. Moving between the stitches very slowly and don't push too hard the needle. Again, pulling up the loop for closing the hole in the middle. Hide it too between the stitches. If you're enjoying this video and if you're enjoying the crochet things, don't forget to subscribe my channel and send it to your friends. Okay, cut the tail of the yarns and we're gonna making round 2 with next color. You can use any type of the color you like. Make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the each chain 1 space you like, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab a yarn, pull through 2. Okay, here is our first double crochet. You can use 3 chains if you want, and make 3 more double crochet into the same chain space. Okay, the 3rd one and the 4th one. Okay, do this for the all chain spaces. Make 4 double crochet into the each chain 1 spaces in this round without any chains between the clusters of 4 double crochet. Continue with 4 double crochet into the each chain 1 spaces. Okay, repeat this diagram until the end of the row here. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet or the 3rd chain if you start the round with 3 chains. Okay, now hide the tail of the yarn and fasten off. For the round 3, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the each space between 2 clusters of 4 double crochet, make 1/2 double crochet and 4 chains. Okay, if you want, you can make 6 chains as a 2 chains as a 1/2 double crochet and 4 chains as a 4 chain space. Into the next space, make 1/2 double crochet and 4 chains. Repeat this diagram until the end of the row. Which color would you combo choose for your own motif? Will you make this motif in the singular color or multiple color, just like me? Okay, in the end, join with the slip stitch into the first half double crochet or second chain. Cut the yarn and fasten off. In round 4, make a slip knot on your hook. Insert your hook into the each chain space you like. Grab a yarn, bring it out, and make a single crochet in there. Okay. After that, make 2 double crochet into the same chain space. Now we're gonna making 3 treble crochet. Wrap yarn around your hook twice. Insert your hook into the chain space. Grab a yarn, bring it out. Pull through 2 loops. Pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. Okay. Now we're gonna making 2 more treble crochet into the same chain space. Now we're gonna making 2 double crochet into the same chain space. Now we're gonna making 2 single crochet together. First in the this chain space, second one into the next chain space. Now pull through 2 loops. Okay, here is our 2 single crochet together. Repeat this diagram, making 2 double crochet, 3 treble crochet, 2 double crochet, and 2 single crochet together. That first one in the this part of our petal, and the second one in the next part of our petal. These 2 single crochet must be making together. Let me show you. Here is our first single crochet, here is our second one, then pull through 2. Okay, do this for the all petals. Repeat this diagram from here to here. Let me show you one more time. 1 double crochet, the second one, 3 treble crochet, 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna making 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Now we're gonna making 2 single crochet together. Look, insert my hook, grab a yarn, bring it out, insert my hook to the next chain space, bring it out, and pull through 2 loops. Okay, do this until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch. After that, you make your first single crochet. Don't complete it. Go to the next single crochet in the first one. Bring a yarn out from there and pull through all the loops, and done. Hide the tail of the yarn and fasten off. In round 5, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook. Start from a place between 2 petals on top of the 2 single crochet together. Here, insert your hook in there, bring yarn out, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. If you want, you can make 3 chains as a first double crochet. Then we're gonna making 3 chains as a 3 chain space. Okay, if you make the chains, you must make 6 chains in the first. Okay, now we're gonna making 1 single crochet into the back loop and 3rd loop of the 4th stitch here. Okay, and 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Repeat this diagram by making 1 double crochet on top of the 2 single crochet together, plus 3 chains, and 1 single crochet into the back loop and 3rd loop of the 4th stitch. Look, here is our stitch, here is our front loop, Look, here is our front loop, here is our back loop, and here's our third loop. Look, here is our third loop. Insert our hook into the back loop and third loop together, bring yarn out from there and make a single crochet, and again 3 chains. Repeat this diagram by making 1 double crochet in the 2 single crochet together, 3 chains, 1 single crochet in the back loop and third loop of the 4th stitch of the petal, and again 3 chains. Repeat this diagram from here to here until the end. To here. Okay, in the end, join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain or first double crochet. Now we're gonna making 3 chains as a first double crochet, 3 more chains as a 3 chain space, and now we're gonna making 1 double crochet into the same stitch here. Here is our first corner. Now we're gonna making 1 double crochet into the chain space here, 2 half double crochet in the same chain space, first one and the second one. Now we're gonna making 1 single crochet in the single crochet here. Again, make 3 half double crochet into the same chain, next chain space, sorry. 1, 2, and 3. 1 single crochet in a double crochet, 3 half double crochet in the next chain space, 2, 3, again 1 single crochet in the single crochet, 2 half double crochet in the next chain space, 1 and 2, 1 double crochet in the same chain space, and now we're gonna making 1 double crochet, 3 chains, and 1 double crochet in the double crochet. Okay, repeat this diagram from here to here. Okay, in the end, join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain. Here is our round 6. You can make it as big as you want by this color, but I want to cut the tail of the yarn and continue with my next color. Insert my needle under the 3rd stitch, bring it out and insert my needle again inside the 1st stitch, and now move between the stitches and secure it very well. Okay. Tell me what kind of crochet tutorial would you like me to do next? Bags, tops, accessories, a motif, flower motif, 3D motif? Let me know in comments. For the next round, round 7, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap yarn around your hook twice, bring yarn out from the chain space, pull through 2 loops, pull through and pull through. Okay, here is our first treble crochet. Also, you can make 5 chains as a first treble crochet, then make 2 chains more, actually 7 chains in the first as a first treble crochet and 2 chain space, then make 1 more treble crochet in the same chain space and 1 double crochet in the same chain space. Okay, then make 1 double crochet into the each next stitches of each side. Okay, just continue with making 1 double crochet into the each stitches. Let me know, have you tried this kind of motif before, or do you prefer soft colors, bright, for this pattern, or you're making in a similar color? Maybe let me know in comments. And if you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to like and leave me a comment and share it to your friends that you know they love the crochet too. In the corner, make 1 double crochet, 1 treble, 2 chains, again 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, and here's our corner. Now we're gonna make 1 double crochet into the each side, in the each stitches. In the end, make 1 double crochet in the first corner stitch and join with the slip stitch to the first treble crochet or 5th chain. Okay, you can make this square as big as you want by making 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet in the corner spaces and 1 double crochet in the each stitches. And now I'm gonna making 1 round with a single crochet. Go to the chain space by the slip stitch, then make 1 single crochet, 2 chain and 1 single crochet in the corner space. Now I'm gonna making 1 single crochet into the each next stitches. Okay, this part and this round is up to you and up to your project. If you want, you can make this around or don't make it. Okay, in the end, join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet, cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. Stay tuned because I'll show you the easiest way to stem and shape your motif to make it nice and neat. So stick around, don't go away anywhere. Okay, here is our little motif. You just need to lightly stem the motif using a stem iron or pin it on a blocking board and let it set to achieve its perfect square shape. Okay, you just need to put your motif in the wrong side on the desk, and you just need to hold the stem iron about 2 or 3 centimeters away from the motif and give it a few bursts of the stem. Then gently stretch it and tap on it and gently stretch the motif from all the 4 sides to make it flat and even. Alternatively, as I said to you, you can do this on the blocking board if you want for more precision. Okay, and that's it, sweethearts. Wasn't this flower motif so cute? If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a lovely comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future sunny projects. Also make sure to check out my other flower themed crochet tutorial. I linked them in the description below. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting. See you in next video. Bye.